Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. In today's video we break down the top 5 best manicure tables that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5. Yaheetech 37-inch foldable manicure table. Coming to the first product on our pick list, Yaheetech's foldable manicure table. Due to its stylish yet elegant look, this is a perfect addition to nail salons. The table is manufactured using high-end plastic and iron that makes it sturdy and durable. Moreover, the build-up isn't flimsy and the table can certainly last several years. Unlike many other tablets on the market, Yaheetech's manicure table is foldable. Consequently, it is great at saving space and can be folded and placed aside when not in use. In addition to this, the table comes with 4 wheeled legs that help you in moving the table around. The wheels are locked, hence the table won't move when working on it. Besides, the table has a very spacious working surface of about 37 inches. A drawer is additionally added to the table to store your accessories. It also features a wrist cushion for providing comfort to the customers. However, the cushion can be removed according to need. A proper manicure corner aids you in providing better service to your customers. At number 4. Giantex Nail Table Station. This is another great option for all those looking for compact yet sturdy manicure tables. The lower frame of Giantex's nail care table is carefully crafted using metal. This enhances longevity as well as sturdiness. Moreover, the legs can be folded to change the table into a more compact form. The lightweight nature and rolling wheels make it very easy to port. In addition to this, the working board is also well built. The fiberboard has a fiberboard of lamination to make it spill-resistant and susceptible to abuse. Due to the soft wrist cushion, the user is always at ease. Besides, the plastic drawer under the tabletop is great for storing nail care tools. Unlike a lot of other tablets on the list, Giantex features only 2 triangular legs. This specific shape helps them to accommodate a lot of weight and stand firm in their place. At number 3. Meffer Nail Beauty Spa Salon Desk. Are you looking for large professional working space for your manicure? Well, then do check out this amazing nail care desk by Mefeir. Clearly, the table is well crafted and is an excellent choice for nail spas. All of the frameworks are built using industrial steel while the working space is crafted using a fiberboard. The overall structure is sturdy and the table can easily withstand some years of vigorous usage. Moreover, the table comes with 8 rolling wheels that are great at moving the table around. It features 2 side cabinets, each with 5 drawers. As a consequence, you will have ample storage options to store your stuff. Since the cabinets are lockable, your items remain safe. In addition to this, the table is equipped with a thick and stiff foam cushion that keeps the customer comfortable while she enjoys her manicure. This nail care unit comes with an LED tabletop lamp that offers a clear view, while you are at work. Besides, an electric vent near the cushion effectively removes all the nail dust. With 43 inches of working space, you are most definitely going to enjoy your nail treatment. At number 2. Sunku Folding Nail Station. This is another great yet inexpensive manicure table on our list. Sunku's table has a 29.5-inch fiberboard surface with an acetone-proof lamination to make it waterproof. Besides, the legs are manufactured using MDF and metal, hence they can withstand a lot of weight and pressure. The table provides ample space for a customer and a nail beautician. Another great feature is the easy portability of this nail station. Each leg features a lockable wheel that aids in keeping the table firm at its place. Apart from this, the rolling wheels make this table easier to port. The legs are collapsible, therefore it is very easy to store. This can help you, especially when you are short on space. Besides all this, the table features a drawer for placing your manicure essentials. It also comes with a comfy cushion for the comfort of your customers. Another amazing feature is the vented surface with a downward dust collector. This helps you to pull all the nail dust down in a plastic bag. Overall, this is a nice manicure station that can accommodate all your needs. At number 1. SUNCOO Manicure Nail Table. SUNCOO is an amazing choice if you are looking for tables under $100. Even though this is a cheaper unit, the quality is still amazing. The frame is well built using high-quality steel. Besides, the legs are foldable to make it easy to store. Each of the 2 legs has rolling wheels to make transportation a breeze. Furthermore, the fiberboard working space is well laminated, which makes it spill-resistant and easy to clean. SUNCOO's table comes with a wrist cushion and a drawer for storage. The drawer is pretty large and can be slid, according to the convenience. Besides, the table is lightweight, hence very easy to move around. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.